Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So guys, this is no ways a financial advice or a tip. Okay, this is just purely my view on the markets, how I'm going to trade tomorrow and everything. So you get a reference, that's it. So don't use this as a tip, just use it as a reference. So today, first let's see Nifty. Nifty, if we see, we did not get any trades in Nifty today because the market opened and it directly came down. Okay, opened and directly came down. You go to 15 minutes, you'll be able to see many people lost their money here guys today. So what happened was 15 minutes trade, it did come here, but I did not trade this is because it's simple. Okay, so now this has become there is some price action which has happened here. Okay, that's why market has gone up. Okay, so here the buyers are actually kind of strong, that's why they pushed it up. And what happened, they tried pushing it up, but again they became weak. So what is happening is, only if it crosses this swing, okay, it should cross this swing guys, only if it crosses this swing I'm looking forward to sell. Okay, that is this swing, it should cross 19,480. Okay, 19,480, below that I'll be selling it. I don't have any views for buy now because the market is on sideways. It has to go all the way up and it has to break all this resistance, only then I'll be looking forward to buy. So this is for Nifty. Let's get into Bank Nifty. Sorry for the delay. So what's happening is Bank Nifty also is the same picture. We did not get any kind of confirmation here. See, basically how I trade these is, I have my alerts set in this in my different trading view account where I actually use, that is in 5 hours, I have all the alerts set on this level. So when it comes to the level, I enter the trade. I immediately go to the chart, I see the price action, I enter. So it's the same thing. Even in Bank Nifty, we did not get our levels. If Bank Nifty breaks above this, okay, that is if it breaks above 44,630, okay, 44,600, if it crosses 44,600, then I'll be looking forward for a buy. Okay, because there is good space. We do have good space, but there are so many resistance. But remember guys, support and resistance can be broken. If it is tested multiple times, it becomes weak and there is a higher chance for it to get broken. Okay, so that is how it works. So next is US oil, and tomorrow we have Bank Nifty's expiry too, so it's going to be interesting tomorrow. So if you see what happened today, from morning I was having a lot of stop losses. That is what happened here was, market came down, I shorted it here, it hit my stop loss, and I had a buy order here, then again it hit my stop loss. So basically I had 2 to 3 stop losses here. Now this was a very good zone for me to sell it, but unfortunately I missed it, but it's totally fine. That's totally fine, I can still wait. But I will sell it only post this. Post this I can definitely I'm looking forward to sell this. This will be my stop loss because this is the risk I can take guys. 50 points is very big for me when it comes to, that is if you're buying one crude oil large, okay, that is a big size of crude oil. 50 points means you are ready to lose 5,000 here. Okay, so that is what 50 points mean. For that it has to give us, you see the risk to reward ratio, it has to give us 5 times, there is 25,000 it has to give us back. Okay, so that is how this is. So it's 1:5. Okay, it is 1:5 risk reward is. So I'm looking forward to sell this, that is US oil. Next we have 3 stocks for swing trading. One is flat text. Let me analyze it right here so it's easy. You guys can see I go to daily time frame first. You go on daily time frame, or I go to weekly or daily, the higher time frame I go. If you see this, it's on a uptrend. Okay, so here there are few resistance which are totally fine. Okay, but it is going in an uptrend now. Is this a good buy? How do I buy this? Is a good buy if you ask? This is definitely not a very good buy because the stop loss will be too far. And what might happen is, it might come down to take testing also on this trend line. So how I will trade this is, go to the daily time frame, I'll see the recent structure. Okay, if you see the recent structure, this is the recent structure of this. So if you see, there is a resistance on this zone. Okay, this is a resistance zone which market was literally, it was taking a lot of time, that is from 322 days, that is almost a year. Okay, it was spending time in the same resistance zone. Now it has given a breakout. Once the breakout was failed, now again it is given a breakout. So what will be my action is I'll go with a half quantity here, and this will be my stop loss, because see, once it comes inside the zone, it's coming reversal. Okay, that is how it is. And target is undefined, guys. Target is undefined, but what we do is we catch all these levels. Okay, all these resistance levels are take profit levels in the market. This one, this one, and this one, all these level are take profit levels. Okay, so if the market is going like this, going up, my first target, second target, and third target, we are good to go. Okay, next we have PCBL. PCBL is also on daily time frame. It has given a breakout. You see this was the all-time high. I'll show you this. Yeah, this was the all-time high. All-time high has been broken. Now I'm waiting for it to blast. Okay, because it was consolidating for quite some time. Let's see, let me draw the level. So from this wick to this wick, let me draw. Great. So that's it, it's done. It has given a breakout here. Okay, so I can, if it sustains here, that is one or two candles if I see here. If one more candle if I get here, if it sustains, I'm really good to go, because this will be my stop loss. And it's a good stock, guys. It's a good stock. Okay, I've already traded in this once. It gave me a good profit. That is, I traded it somewhere here in this level. That is, there was a trend line coming from up. If you guys see, I'll show you. This is the trend line which was coming from up. Okay, so I entered somewhere here. This was my stop loss. So we captured till this. Okay, we captured till this, and now again it's giving a breakout here after the consolidation. So definitely I'll be entering it tomorrow. Next is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance is really interesting, guys, because I see there is a very good pattern going on here. Let me clear all this. See, there is a double bottom. First is there is a double bottom. Okay, this is the neck has been broken. If you go to weekly, in weekly the picture is totally different. Okay, weekly, if you observe it properly, like if you know some patterns, chart patterns, I'll show you a pattern here. Anybody can who knows about the patterns, they can recognize this easily, and these patterns are really good patterns, guys. Okay, these patterns are really good patterns. They are profitable patterns. Okay, which are really nice. Okay, so if you see this, no, not the circle, I'm on the arc. Yeah, I'm on the arc. Yeah, nice. If you see from this point to this point, you see this is a cup. Okay, then you can see in handle here, this is a cup pattern. Okay, I'll tell you, this is a cup pattern, or you can even draw this like this. This also becomes a cup. This also becomes a cup. Okay, and this is kind of a handle. We can draw even this as a handle, which is totally fine, acceptable. Okay, I'll draw another arc and show you. If you see from here to here, this is a cup and handle. This is called as a cup and handle, guys. So this is our resistant. Once this is broken, we enter here, we keep our stop loss below this. Okay, so this is the analysis for tomorrow. See, cup and handle, that doesn't mean it should be exact. Okay, it should be, sometimes it does go out of the bounds and then comes, but you should be able to identify all these things, that you will definitely identify it in future. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much. I hope you got something to learn, and please use this as a reference. This is no tip or suggestions. Okay, this is just and my idea and my views on the market tomorrow, and the stocks are also the same. I have eyes on all these stocks. I will trade few, I won't trade few. So depending on my capital utilization, depending on my management of risk and money management and all this. So that's it for today's, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.